Universal compatibility. Designed to work with any device that uses a USB-C port. Convenient. Connects USB Type-C enabled devices, MacBook, Chromebook Pixel, Galaxy Note 7, etc. With standard USB Type-C enabled devices, smartphones, car, wall charger, multi-port adapters, etc. Fast SYNCH CHARGE. Supports fast charging up to 60 W, 20 V, 3A, and data transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. Durable design. Tested to bend 95 degrees 2000 times. Reversible. Easily insert the Type-C connector into any Type-C enabled device. Does not matter which side is up. Top reviews from the United States. Fast. Thick cable, fast transfer speeds. I needed a USB cable to transfer stuff from camera to laptop, and to transfer to an external hard drive setup. The regular, thin, USB-C cables that come with smartphones are slow, only USB 2 speeds, and good only for charging your phone. This Amazon cable is purposely built for transferring files at fast USB 3 speeds. It's thick due to cable shielding, and its short length is required for fast file transfers. Beware of long, thin USB-C cables like those that come with your smartphone. Those are only good for USB charging. Those cables can also be used for file transfers at a pinch, but only at slow speeds.